Park Industries web video, gripper set removal and installation for the Titan 2000 series. In this video, we'll remove the gripper set, disassemble and clean it, and then reinstall the gripper set using the gripper tool and the gripper puller. We will need an Allen wrench for the set screw, the gripper puller, the gripper tool, Magnaflux lubricant, and a depth gauge. First, we'll remove the gripper set. To start, extend the drawbar. We'll need to go to the setup screen and then advanced setup, type in the password of Sunrise, and then click OK. Before pressing the extend drawbar button, make sure that the spindle disable switch is on. Insert the Allen wrench into the gripper tool and then insert the Allen wrench into the set screw. Loosen the set screw and the gripper set. Remove the Allen wrench and then use the gripper tool to unthread the gripper set as far as you can. Remove the gripper tool and retract the drawbar. Reinsert the gripper tool back into the gripper set. You may need to use the Allen wrench and insert it into the set screw to align the tool. Unthread the gripper set the rest of the way. Remove the gripper tool and insert the gripper puller. Thread the gripper puller into the gripper set and pull the gripper set out. Now with the gripper set removed, we can disassemble it, clean it, inspect it, reassemble it, and lubricate it. Disassemble the gripper set by removing the fingers. Carefully turn them out of the spring. Clean all of the components and inspect them for wear. Reassemble the gripper set. Carefully turn the gripper fingers back into the spring. Insert the gripper puller into the gripper tool. Then thread the gripper puller into the gripper set. Ensure that the slots in the gripper tool align with the gripper set. Apply a thin film of Magnaflux lubricant to the entire gripper set. Next, we'll install the gripper set using the gripper tools. Ensure that the drawbar is retracted. The button should show Extend Drawbar. Insert the gripper set back into the spindle and tighten it until it's snug. Then extend the drawbar. This allows more room to finish tightening up the gripper set. Tighten it until it is snug and the gripper tool touches the drive docks. Next, remove the gripper puller tool. Then insert the Allen wrench into the gripper tool. Hold the gripper tool in position while using the Allen wrench to tighten the set screw. Tighten the set screw until it's snug. Now we can check the gripper set depth. We'll be using a depth gauge and you may need to adjust if needed. The gripper depth value is etched on the gripper tool. Ensure that the drawbar is extended. Before starting, make sure that your depth gauge is zeroed out. Press the base so that it is the same level as the tang. Press the 0 button if needed. Next, we're going to measure the height of the gripper set. The tang of the depth gauge should seat on the face of the gripper set and not drop into the slot. Place the base of the depth gauge onto the flat of the spindle. Push the tang into the spindle until it touches the face of the gripper set. The value of the measurement should be the same as, or within 4 thousandths of the value that's etched on the gripper tool. Thank you for choosing Park Industries. We appreciate your comments and suggestions. If you have additional questions or needs, please contact our customer service department.